Imagine this, while you're enjoying your coffee, your AI-powered stock photos are out there, making you money. Sounds like a dream, right? Well, it's not. It's the power of artificial intelligence at your fingertips. Welcome to AI Automation Cohort, where we uncover the smartest ways to leverage AI for passive income. Today, I'm sharing how AI stock photos have transformed my earnings and how you can do it too. No camera required, just creativity and AI tools. First, let's dive into what AI-powered stock photos are all about. Think of them as visuals created by algorithms instead of a traditional photographer. With tools like Daily and Midjourney, you can generate images tailored to specific styles, themes, or industries in just seconds. That's game-changing, right? Unlike conventional stock photos, AI-generated images are faster, more diverse, and customizable. Need a neon cyberpunk cityscape? Done. How about a retro-inspired cafe scene? Easy. AI creates visuals limited only by your imagination. Now let's talk business. Here's how you can set up your AI stock photo business in just 3 simple steps. Step 1. Pick your tools. Start with platforms like Dall-E, Midjourney, or Stable Diffusion. These are your creative engines. Once you have images, upload them to marketplaces like Shutterstock or Adobe Stock, platforms with ready-made audiences who are actively buying. Step 2. Find your niche. Stand out by focusing on a niche. Love travel? Create dreamy landscapes. Into tech? Think futuristic designs. Niches help you attract a loyal customer base who can't get enough of your style. Step 3. Build your portfolio. Your portfolio is your storefront. Keep it fresh and dynamic by regularly adding new visuals. This shows buyers you're serious and keeps them coming back. The next step is all about marketing your AI stock photos. Creating stunning images is just half the story. Getting them seen is the other half. Marketplaces like Shutterstock are great, but don't stop there. Social media is your best friend. Share your work on Instagram and Pinterest and use hashtags like AI stock photos or passive income to draw attention. Collaborate with influencers and bloggers. They need content and you need exposure. It's a win-win. And don't forget SEO. Optimizing your photo titles and descriptions with keywords like AI-generated visuals can help your images dominate search results. Let's talk about how to maximize your passive income streams. Now comes the money part. How to maximize your earnings. Price smart. Start with competitive pricing, but offer premium tiers for exclusivity. Everyone loves options. Diversify platforms. List your images on multiple marketplaces to reach more audiences. Don't put all your eggs in one basket. Stay trendy. Always be ahead of trends. If tropical vacation photos are in demand, start generating those immediately. With the right strategies, your income will grow steadily, passively. AI-powered stock photography isn't just a way to make money. It's a creative revolution. You're not only earning, you're innovating. Ready to start your AI stock photo journey? Don't wait. Take the leap and let your creativity and AI do the work for you. If this video sparked your interest, hit the like button, subscribe to AI Automation Cohort, and share it with your friends. Let's build a community of creators harnessing the power of AI. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.